okay. Let him borrow na lang na. Yeah. It's okay. Bata man. Let him borrow, love. You want? You want to play other things? You want to play other things? Okay, after you play that, you let him borrow, okay? Chicken. Alright, don't put it in your mouth. Let him borrow this one. You're not using it, man, diba?
Not walking.
Oh, let him borrow. Give it to him. Oh, give it to him. Dinosaur. Give it to him. Give it to him na lang. Oh, borrow na. You want to play the dinosaur? He's giving you the dino. You want that one down? Okay. Oh, sige. Oh, you can borrow that one na kuya, oh. Okay, you play. Oh, that's a fork. Not the other. Is there a knife there?
Oh no.
Oh no. Mama. Chase, smile here. Look at Mama. Why? Hi, Chase Cashton. Look at Mama, I want to see your outfit. Turn around. Face me. Yay. Thank you, Chase.
Grayson.
Grayson, yeah, Grayson. Oh, come on. Come here. Teacher Dan is there.
Guess we're believing. Look who we are. We are the dream.
Go. Can you remember Hitam? Hi.
Settle down now.
Hi.
Our program.
Hello, Hitam. Picture kayo ni Chase. Picture kayo. Asan si ano?
Yunso?
Oo, Yunso.
Yunso. Picture daw kayo, Chase. Picture tayo.
Yunso. Nakita na Junta. Nakita na tayo. Nakita. Oh, picture love. Oh, hold your flag.
No?
Okay, smile here.
Going there later.
Okay, smile. Ah. Mag-walk na. Sige. Yun na. Line up na daw. Okay. Ay, picture kayo ni Grayson lang po. Grayson, take a photo. Picture. Chase, look at here. Smile. Bye. Yay. Wala, cute na mo, Chase. Oh, smile here, smile. Cashton, smile. Look at Mama.
Their unique national costume. Now, starting with the toddlers, Sun, Star, and Moon.
We will forget na. We will walk na.
Let's go na.
We will walk na. Oh, we will walk na.
witnessing our very cute and adorable toddlers, accompanied by their parents.
Yung gilabay yung headrest. Let's go, let's go! Ala! Uy! Ala! Bye-bye! Mama! Karga!
Now we have another set of toddlers in their different national costumes. Aren't they all adorable? We have another set of toddlers in their different national costumes. Aren't they all adorable?
Bless Tita Ina!
I'm excited. We're funny. It's too warm now. Yeah, we're looking for Ate A. Waiting for Ate A and Papa.
Okay, strike a pose. Look at the camera. In 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that's the
Humanity representing China together with their advisor, Miss Cindy. Smile.
You're so cute!
Daya's hot pa. Marshmallow. Sit down here. Oh.
You look so cute!
Now,
look so cute!
grade 46 students in their different United Nations costumes. Start.
Look at Papa. Gaston, look at Papa. One last na. Chase, smile. Chase.
Okay, tapos na ang kanyang affair. Say hi.
Let's stay on the side.
Yay, we're done na. Good thing Ate and Papa were able to
Wait, stay on the side first.
stand aside. Good thing Papa and Ate were able to habol.
Yeah.
Smile, Chinaman. Ay. Smile, Chinaman. Chinaman na. Napagod na siya. Baka pa ito. Ayaw magkalo. Mainit siguro.
I don't have energy na ba ya? Oh, what is that? Huh? You gave Papa energy?
Uy, papas no energy. Again, be.
I think I will give Chase energy.
Ano ho?
Oh, why are you covering your face?
So, Chase will have...
I'm not kissing you. I want carry. Okay. Good thing we fetch Aya earlier, and then we arrived on time.
Yeah, arrive on time.